Good morning. It's another day at it. I am up early and we are going to get some more Bondo put on this, more sanding done, and I'll get it into primer. I looked at the weather and it should be good. It shouldn't rain. Well, it said it's supposed to rain later this evening, so maybe if I have time I can get a coat of paint on before the weather prohibits me from doing so. So let me get busy getting some sanding done. See what time it is? Primer time. I got my little paint booth set up. We'll have to just paint the front half, flip around, paint the back half, flip it over, paint the bottom. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we'll let that dry, and I'll go get some more because I only bought 2 cans, and that's 1 can, so I know I'm going to need a little bit more than that. It's called Sandable Primer, so I should have got like filler primer, so it would give me more room to maybe fill in all the imperfections a little bit better, but I sprayed this pretty thick, so after it dries, we'll sand it, see what happens, and I'll pick up a couple more cans of primer and maybe even get some paint. So we'll be back in just 1 minute, and I'm back. So I went around to different stores looking to see if there was any different colored paint, and I saw a color that was really cool looking, so I said, yeah, that's what color I'm gonna paint the trike. So purple, matte electric purple. They only had 1 can there, but I ordered 2 more for them. They're gonna send it on the hub, so it'll be here this afternoon. They'll call me and let me know when I got the other cans in. So purple it is. So let me get back to priming some more. This is dry, sand it. I got some sandable primer or some filler primer, and we'll get the rest of this primed up so we can paint it. Primer's not dry yet since I put it on so thick. Best thing to do probably would be to wait till tomorrow. I keep trying to sand it and it keeps globbing up, so I don't need to rush it. I'm just gonna let it sit till tomorrow, and we'll paint it then. But I can't stand it. I want to see what the purple looks like. So I figure back here on the engine mount won't matter. It'll be under the engine, and so it doesn't have to be perfect. Plus, it's all nice and smooth back here and dry anyway. The front is what's so thick and taking so long. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint right here just so we can see what it looks like. You ready? That's a wide nozzle spray. I'm gonna have to get used to spraying. Notice it keeps clumped up. Put that far away so I won't keep using it. Look at that. What do you think?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Well, it is looking good. I am happy with it. And I really wished I could have gotten more done today, but I really can't rush it. If I do more, it's gonna mess it up. The paint's not gonna look as good. I need to be patient. So I'm gonna end this video for today. I really need to get this grass cut. I've been working so hard on this, I've been neglecting everything else. So I better go and do that. So remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends, find your favorite video that I've made, and post it on your social media. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.